Link Summer Camp is a fun and supportive space for linkers to learn, grow, and connect.
Hi everyone, my name is Veloguhle Zulu. I'm a new linker from a school in Midrand called Mabia High. I am here for my first summer camp. We arrived early in the morning and we went for our registrations and then we were assigned our rooms. The grade 11s and 12s then autographed their Flying Tales storybooks, which is a collection of stories they wrote based on their experiences. After that, we went for the welcoming sessions, and then after it was the linker dialogue circle where we had to open up about our feelings and tell the other linkers about our experiences and how we feel, and they also told me about their experiences and the things that they go through in life. Then after we went swimming and I was really excited about swimming. And then after we came back for our personal project plan where we had to list our expectations and our goals for the year 2026. I'm really excited and looking forward to camp this year. Hi, my name is Naledi Kapa, a grade 10 linker from Vanellope Secondary School. For day 2 and 3 of the summer camp, the grade 10s embarked on a journey of technical and soft skills. On the technical skills, we built a 3D model of an airport.
This is the Sky Bridge, also known as the Jet Bridge. It's a tunnel that leads people from the terminal to the airplane or from the airplane to the terminal.
For the soft skills, we worked on effective communication, career exploration, and community mapping. My favorite part was the career exploration because it gave me an idea on what I should do when it comes to choosing the right career path that I want to follow or pursue in the future.
Hi, my name is Mapula Musagwangwa. I'm a grade 11 linker from Polokwane in Limpopo. Over the course of the camp, we had technical skills that we had to work on. Our session was on automated airport luggage bot. What we did at first was learn about the different components that we'll be using, how they work, so forth and so on. Secondly, we designed our robot to see how it would look and what way makes it function better. We also did the building and connecting electrical components. We created a bot called Swifty, he's version 1, and we sort of made a company called Swift Case Express. We had 12 hours to do this, and I think we were successful in reaching our goal.
After a day packed with learning and discovery, the linkers rounded off the evening with a special roller skating party, laughing, having fun, and making memories together.
Hi everyone, my name is Minion Sitonga, a grade 12 linker from East London.
Hi everyone, my name is Asanam Flom and I'm also a grade 12 linker. I'm going to be talking about my experience in the summer camp, as this is our last summer camp as linkers. We were tasked with making an autonomous robot using a distance sensor and a color sensor to read any obstruction or object in front of it and colors at the bottom of it. We were exposed to a lot of coding during the exercise or session. The robot's object is to decrease the risk of accidents which happen in the tarmac or airports.
Part of the camp, we did variety of soft skills. We did financial literacy as well as social etiquette.
7 months by the end I'll have 2,750 rands, and from this I'll be remaining with, when I started this, I'll be remaining with 189 rands.
We also practiced how to dine, and we had lunch practicing the skills that we were taught during the social etiquette session.
the linkers enjoyed a sip and paint session with delicious mocktails, tapping into their creativity and unwinding together. During the summer camp, the Grade 10 linkers visited the Airlink Aircraft Maintenance Organization so they could witness classroom concepts in action and fuel their ambitions in the aviation industry.
Hi, today I'm at the Airlink MO, and today I've learned about the pneumatics and the air control of an airplane, where we looked at the 4 forces acting on an airplane, together with the pneumatic and air controls of an airplane, where we looked at the ATA chapter 36 and 21.
Good day, my name is Moshe Rumnyati, and today we're at the AMO Link hangar. The main things I've learned so far are the systems and countermeasures that take place when it comes to aviation and the plane itself. My highlight of the day was when
Wait, I forgot to mention my highlight. My highlight was basically when we get to integrate life sciences and physical sciences all at the same time. It was so cool. Yeah, you can
Thank you. My highlight was when we got to see the innards of the plane and how the mechanics of it helped the plane take flight itself. It was very interesting.
Welcome and thank you for joining us as we celebrate excellence, dedication, and our remarkable linkers with us around the globe.
I always say if you're hungry enough for something, definitely you're going to do it and you're going to thrive through it. And I stand today as a qualified aircraft maintenance technician all because of stepping into the aviation industry. The skill is everything. With Airlink behind you, pushing you to get what you want is a privilege.
Congratulations to all the linkers for all their hard work and achievements this year. Their hard work and dedication really paid off. It was an amazing night, perfect for the final send-off for the year 2025.